Grape is getting crushed right now. Hold on. Ah, I heard it. I heard it.
Heard it?
I heard it.
I did too.
Not what? What? Yo, what is up, you guys? Finally here at Walmart, and if you guys already saw a capture this video, you know what I'm up to. So I'm gonna jump right into it and just start picking out some stuff that I wanna bust out. Like this watermelon. Yo, Brian, I said we get a cart and bust up a pineapple? I'm not a bust up a pineapple.
I'm kidding.
Why not? A watermelon 100% explode. You know what I'm saying?
Did you take inventory?
Boys, comment down below if you think I could squash one of these. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take one and we're bringing it with us. I don't know, I guess I'm putting it in my pocket. I think I'll be able to squash it, but leave it in the comments down below.
Yeah.
Lettuce in the bag. Yo, Brian, what do you think about a coconut?
A coconut? Pretty lit, bro. I'm so down.
So I'm kind of excited. Comment down below what you guys think we're gonna actually be able to crush. I'm probably gonna pick up like 1 or 2 more things and then we'll get on with the video. So let's wrap it up. Alrighty, boys, just left Wally World. And this is what we got. Let me break it down for you guys. We have a coconut, which I am very excited for. I honestly think that it can break the coconut, the car, but leave it in the comment section below what you think. We got a watermelon, obviously fun smash. We got some cabbage. This is actually cabbage, as the cash register lady told me. Got a little bit of squash, or not squash, this is actually papaya. We have chocolate almond milk, a 6-pack can of Fanta, and a bouncy ball. So we're about to head on the way back home, and I'll meet y'all at the spot of film location, and we'll get into killing all this stuff and see what breaks and what doesn't. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, boys, we made it to the spot of location. We'll check out what we have here. Like I said, this is our array of crushing stuff. Oh, and by the way, I have one more. The grape. I stole a grape from Walmart, and if you guys think we can crush this with my 370Z, just let me know, comment down below. I think we can do it. I personally believe that we can do it. I'm gonna set that right here, nice and tidy. So guys, Brian, what do you think we should start with? I was literally thinking the same thing. Start with the most satisfying one.
The cabbage.
It's cabbage, yes, it's cabbage. So I'm gonna start by raising the car up. All right, she is under. Get it stuck under there. All right, what do you think, Brian? Should we do it slow or should we do it fast? Should we just fucking crush it? Or should we listen to that crisp? What do you think we should send it?
Just send it? That's
First,
what
I think we should send it. All right, let's do it.
All right, let's send it, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Dude, it's...
the lettuce already broke it. How, Mr. Lettuce?
How did Mr. Lettuce break it?
Mr. Lettuce survived. You gotta get to work, Mr. Lettuce. Let's get to work. All right. Lettuce is on the frame, baby.
Let's get it.
3, 2. Not bad.
Not bad. It's still
Still not that crushed.
still not dead.
I thought we could do a little better. I mean, it did pretty good. It did pretty good.
Get it. Let's go. There you go.
I don't know if that was the move.
Probably not.
You know what? Ants are gonna love that.
Yeah.
Facts, right? Ants are gonna fuck that
Bro,
up.
they got dinner for weeks. What do you mean?
Yeah.
They got dinner for weeks. Choose the
I'm
second
thinking
one.
the watermelon.
The watermelon?
Yeah.
Big boy?
The watermelon.
Let's get it.
Get it. Alright. Alright, we're causing some damage to Mr. Watermelon.
Oh! Yeah. Ooh. The watermelon's leaking. She's oozing. Damage.
Oh, she looking nice.
Oh, look at that. Yes.
Yo, this is a good ass ass watermelon.
Yeah? Hell yeah.
Alright guys, almond breeze chocolate almond milk.
Let's go.
Who drinks almond milk anyways? Just kidding, babe. I know you're gonna be furious that I'm crushing this, but I love you anyway. Oh! Stay closer, stay closer. Stay closer. Is it almost crushed? Oh, come on.
Explode, bitch!
Ah! Got it! Let's assess the damage.
Leaking.
We're leaking?
Oh, it's a leaker.
Oh, and it's salvageable.
It's a leaker. It's salvageable.
Salvageable, baby.
We don't waste food, boys.
We don't waste food.
We don't
Except
waste
that
food.
cabbage.
Except that cabbage.
Almond breeze, 0, 370Z, 2. Let's get it.
2.
Papaya?
Papaya's up next.
Papaya, let's get it.
Let's get it.
In the wreckage of the chocolate milk. Roll her under. Whip out the app. Here we go. Ah, it's flexing. Oh my.
Go, 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 go.
Yo, that's definitely popped. Come on.
Yeah, bro. It just. Oh.
Yo, look, it's like oozing like the white stuff on the outside.
But it didn't burst like I wanted it to.
No, it didn't. It kind of just flattened.
It just flattened.
Oh. See it? Papaya. Oh, damn. No, she bursted. Yeah. Oh, she big bursted.
Definitely.
Ants are gonna love this shit.
Yeah, definitely.
Sweet papaya for sure. I don't know how the fuck I threw it so far. Hey,
That was a nice shot put.
ants.
It's a nice shot put.
Hey, for all you guys that said I can't crush this grape, come with me, that's why. I'm gonna cheat a little bit on this, I'm putting it under my exhaust. Oh no! No! I have an idea. Under the front.
Oh, perfect.
Under the front. Grape, you're going down, my guy. Grape is getting crushed right now. Hold on. No! I heard it! I heard it.
Heard it?
I heard it.
I did too.
Not what?
What?
What? I know you heard that.
I heard it.
What? All right.
I heard it. I definitely thought it was squashed.
All right.
Right now.
Yeah! Fuck you, Grape! Fuck you, Grape!
That's a big boy.
I don't think this is gonna crush.
What?
I don't think so.
What do you guys think?
Next up, we have a Fanta soda can. Let's get it. Just a little bit. Actually, pouring out for the homies. Let's get it. Oh, oh. Done. Done. Done for. Yeah. Can 0.
Can 0.
370Z.
5?
5? 4? I don't know.
What are we on?
This can is closed, so we're gonna.
There you go.
I'm kind of nervous about this one. Kind of nervous. Let's watch it. We're gonna do it slow. Oh!
That caught, yo, that was.
RC blow!
Yeah.
That was a good one.
That was a good one. That one caught me off guard.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that
At
one.
all.
Yes,
Let's go.
sir!
Let's go.
It's still good. Here's the carnage. We have a cabbage over there. Which I. Oh, the ball! Holy shit!
What?
Bouncy ball! I'm curious about this one.
Me too, brother.
We get it in there. Perfect. All right. Ooh.
Oh! Oh!
No way. No way.
No way.
No way. Bouncy ball survives?
Sad face.
wet from everything we smashed.
Yeah.
Bro, nothing.
Guys, the bouncy ball survived.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Not a dent on this thing. Backyard Blitz playground ball. Get one of these. If you go crazy, these things have my approval.
Oh, okay.
Last but not least, we have a juicy coconut. Bunch of fluids in there. I'm dying to crack this thing and just suck the shit out of it. Fuck. No homo! Get it! What do you think? What do you think is gonna happen to this coconut? Do you think?
Honestly,
what do you think?
I think it's gonna crack. I think it's gonna crack.
I think it's gonna crack. I think it's so hard that it doesn't have a lot of flex.
Yeah.
Like the bouncy ball, it can bend, but this, bro, a little bit of.
Yeah.
Like it might.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard.
Yeah. I don't know.
I don't know now. Hold on.
Might crack the frame instead. All right. This is it, guys.
Carver's coconut. Oh! She cracked.
Let's
She
go.
cracked.
Let's go.
Wasn't anything in it.
No, boys.
I don't know if I can open this anymore. I have to throw it back up.
Let's go.
But alrighty guys, that is the end of the video. My hands are absolutely sticky. I think the car went like 7 for 2. The bouncy ball and the cabbage both beat it. But I think if we run the cabbage back and we actually put it under the frame of the car, I don't think it would win. I kind of cheated on that. But anyways guys, that's the end of the video. We have a cop pulling up right over here. Gonna say what's up to us, probably, I don't know. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my 370Z hydraulic press. There's a bunch of random stuff. Y'all have a good one. I'm just gonna enjoy my water. God bless. Wash your filthy hands.